Hi everyone, Namaste. I am Shipra and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to use a Gua Sha so that you can age gracefully. And even if you do not have one, I got you covered. I still got you covered. Yes, let's begin.
Starting with the face oil, you can use any face oil or a massage cream of your choice that will help your Gua Sha to glide over your skin. So as you're going through each step, make sure the tool is flat against your skin. The pressure should always be light. Repeat each stroke 10 to 12 times. We are just doing the upward and outward motion. We don't want to pull down, we are trying to lift the skin. Be very gentle under your eyes and slide your tool across like this.
Well, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I am doing face massages since 2-3 months now, and I actually have realized that it actually has done something good to my skin, and I hope you also do it. And please do not forget to comment down below that does it actually works for you as well, because it works for everyone and it will definitely work for you. And always do this when I wake up for like 5 minutes, and before I sleep 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. So yes, that was it for the video, you guys. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to like, share and comment. Please subscribe to this channel and share this with your friends, your family and everyone. So I'll see you next week. Bye.